It's a white room tour here on the channel today. If it's something you're interested in, then please keep watching. For this portion of the video, we're sharing a decorate with me, and Shonda is showing you how she decorated this area here in her white room. And then in just a few minutes, she's going to come on and give you a brief history of the renovations that have taken place in this room. If this video is something that you enjoy watching, then we ask that you hit the button and become a friend of the twins. And as always, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is so very short. And thanks for watching. Twins, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Shonda, here, and today I will be giving you a tour of what I call my white room. A lot of you might remember when I did my bar cabinet video. If you haven't seen it, please go back and watch it. But a lot of you asked if you could see the whole room, and so this is what I call my white room. This room was actually a bedroom when my husband and I purchased the house, but I didn't want to use it as a bedroom. So we tore down the wall and took the doors off of the space where the bar cabinet is, and the space right beside it. Those were actually clothes closets. And I wanted to make this room bigger, so I just took the doors down and used it as just an extra decorating space. I love coming into this room. Of course, it's not all white, but I have a lot of white things in it. So this mirror I purchased several years ago at a furniture store. I can't remember how much I paid for it or anything, but I just love the unique designs in it. Added me a nice holiday wreath in the middle, and you'll see more of it once I do my Christmas video for this room. But I love this wreath. I love this mirror, and because of the size of the mirror, I didn't want to add anything else to the wall. It makes a big enough statement by itself. With it being a wall here, when you first walk in the door, it just made the space feel so closed and tight. So we had a contractor just tear the wall out and open this space, which made it feel much more open and actually brightened the area up. It was dark. Now, friends, we need a little help here. Shonda knows that she needs more seating in this room. Should she put 2 accent chairs, or should it be a love seat? We don't know. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think.